High-precision inertial measurement is not just about parameters, but also about the ability to quickly integrate the system. Micro-Magic has released the M3G-210 220 3-axis high-precision MEMS gyroscope, designed to match and be compatible with the Sensonor STIM200 to 202, targeting industrial and scientific applications. Key specifications: zero bias instability, 0.1 Gyroscope H. Angular random walk, 0.1 Gyroscope H. Operating temperature, 40 degrees to plus 80 degrees. Maximum 2000 Hz sampling rate, bandwidth exceeding 200 Hz, suitable for rapid dynamic measurements. The real advantage is the low replacement cost, mechanical dimensions, mounting holes, and the standardized 15-pin micro-D connector layout are consistent with the STIM200 202, requiring no mechanical modifications for upgrades. For communication, the STIM Gyro 90 mode achieves interoperability in data format, command set, and operating status, while also supporting custom protocols and trigger time synchronization functions. The product is already in service in key areas. Please leave a message to obtain materials and testing support.